Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Kindergarten Video Lectures. Let's explore, learn, and have fun together on this exciting educational journey. It's story time.
The boy went on a yellow yacht ride. He was seeing a yak. He asked the sailor what it was. Sailor said, "It's a yak. Exploring the nature is good."
Let's meet with new sounds.
Yak, yak, yak.
Let's do actions with me.
I like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. Yeah.
Every object has an initial sound. Like
Yacht, yellow, yak. Yak, yak, yacht. Yak, yak, yellow. Yak, yak, yak. Dear students, what do you know about the sun? What is the color of sun?
see you in the next lesson.